The cornea is the outermost layer of the eye. It is transparent and dome-shaped, covering the outer part of the eye. Basically, the cornea helps your eye focus when reading or seeing. So if there is any problem or issue with the cornea, doctors may suggest corneal transplant in such condition. Corneal transplant, also known as keratoplasty, is a surgical process where damaged or diseased cornea is replaced with a healthy cornea. Corneal transplants are usually done to improve vision or relieve pain caused by the damaged or diseased cornea. Now you might be wondering where this healthy cornea comes from. Actually, when someone donates their eye after death, doctors take the cornea from that person's eye. This is how we use cornea in corneal transplant surgery. There are several process options available for this surgery, and the cost of surgery varies according to these options, such as penetrating keratoplasty or PK. In this, your entire cornea is replaced. DSEK or Descemet stripping endothelial keratoplasty. In this, only the inner diseased corneal layer is replaced through a small incision. DMEK or Descemet's membrane endothelial keratoplasty. In this also, surgeon replaces only the inner layer of the cornea by injecting the donor corneal layer into the eye through a small incision and then injecting an air bubble so that it adheres to the cornea. DALK or deep anterior lamellar keratoplasty. In this, only the outer layer of the cornea is changed, often done in conditions like keratoconus. At Eyemanta, all these procedures are available. Their cost ranges from 50 to 60,000, and also we offer EMI facilities. So if you also want to undergo corneal transplant surgery, call our helpline number today and book your free checkup.